In this video, we're going to learn how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro using the latest export layout. Let's begin. Once your editing is complete, go to the top of the screen and click on the Export tab. This opens the Export workspace. Now, look at the left side of the screen. This is where all the export settings are located. At the top, you'll see the file name. Click on it if you want to rename your video. Just below that, you'll see the location. This is where your exported video will be saved. You can click on it to change the folder if needed. Next, let's choose the format. For most cases, especially YouTube and online platforms, select H264. This format gives you good quality with a reasonable file size. Now choose the preset. A very safe and recommended option is Match Source, Adaptive High Bitrate. So this preset matches your sequence settings and exports the video in high quality without extra confusion. Below the preset, you'll see a small audio switch. This allows you to enable or disable audio in your export. If the switch is on, your video will export with audio. If the switch is off, the video will export without sound. This is useful if you want a silent video or are exporting visuals only. Once everything looks correct, file name, location, format, preset, and audio, scroll down if needed and click Export. Adobe Premiere Pro will now start exporting your video. The export time depends on your video length and computer performance. When the export is finished, your final video will be available in the selected location, and that's it. You now know how to export a video correctly using the latest export workspace in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.